What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Fury 325 at Carowinds. This was my very first trip just a couple of days ago to Carowinds in my first ever Giga coaster. Oh, it was so incredible. We went just a couple of days ago, so you can expect a full vlog, tour, and review of the park. Going in for my very first time, I really didn't know what exactly to expect, but I had a blast. You don't want to miss this one. You definitely want to make sure you're subscribed and you click that bell so you'll be notified when we upload all this new Carowinds material. The most liked comment on our previous video, Animal Actors on Location at Universal, comes from Andrew. He answered my question of what his favorite Universal ride was, and he said Horror Makeup Show and Poseidon's Fury. Both are incredible. But for me, the Newborn Show is just one step above them. If you want your comment read on our next video, go ahead and comment on this one what the tallest ride you've ever ridden was, and the most liked comment gets read on our next video. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.